ARQT Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I'm looking at Arcutis Biotherapeutics stock. It's a very beautiful bullish market. All I'm like really looking to do is still take things up. Now, because I've done 37,000 videos, I've spent, 5 figures on courses and mentors, and I have all the proof to back stuff up. This is a juicy freaking long market. I mean, obviously you have your own opinion, but it will be a disservice to just now look for longs here. It is so juicy, it's crazy. I don't know like if you see it or not, but without the price actually pulling down a tad bit lower here and then giving me this double break, bro, I'm not willing to buy whatsoever. That's how ARQT is looking like. Put like a little confirmation part here. Yeah, and all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm just waiting. If the rules are not met, not buying. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.